Welcome to the Online Manual by FranMan. In this video, we're going to show you how finding exactly what you need in your manual has never been easier. Now in the past, ops manuals have been dust collectors. Why? Because nobody can find anything when they need it. Not anymore. Check this out. We're going to do a quick search for the word inventory. Immediately we get a list of every section where our search term appears in the manual. When we click on a search result, one of the first things you'll notice is that the search term is highlighted yellow everywhere it appears on the page. How cool is that? This manual is dust-free. Is yours? Demonstrations are free every day of the week. I'm not kidding. So give us a call. We don't bite, I promise.